Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this Christmassy look for y'all. So if you'd like to see how I got it, keep watching. Hey guys, this is a Sample Beauty, the Painter's Palette, and this is what we're going to use to get that look today. I'm going to go in with these two greens here and this red and probably the red in the corner. First, I'm going to go in with that lighter red shade, and I'm going to begin to build that up from my inner corner to, I want to say, about halfway through. And this is in my crease. And just keep on filling that red shade so I can get it to be a nice red color, so I can get that red to pop. Now I'm going to go in with that green shade. This is the lightest green shade. Well, the lighter of the two anyway. And I'm going to begin to build that up from my outer V and to like the center of my eye. Because I don't want these to overlap each other, I just want them to touch. I'm just going to keep on going softly, probably to blend that into that brow. So I'm just trying to blend these colors up a little bit, and I'm just going over them softly just to get a good blend. Now I'm going to just pat over these colors like by each other, but I don't want them to actually, you know, blend over each other, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm going to do that with the next eye too, and I'm just going to pat that color, that red, just keep patting it, not going over the green. Now I'm going to go in with this J. La Rue pigment, and this is White Diamonds. Now I'm going back into with that lighter green. And I'm just tapping that, you know, on my outer V. Now I'm going in with the darker green, and I'm doing the same thing and blending it out with the lighter green. Now I'm going in with that lighter red, and I'm just blending this out. So now I'm taking the darker red and I'm putting that in my corners. I'm going over that with that shade of green again, just to make it deeper, and then the shade of red, just so I can keep them deeper. Make them pop a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with this 17-hour matte liner by Milani. I'm just going to wing my eye out. We got big wings today. So I'm going to go on with these lashes that were $9.99 on Amazon. And I'm going to put them on. Off camera, I did add a white liner because I thought that would be really cute. So I'm going to go on with this Moisture Surge Mask from Clinique, or Moisture Surge Serum from Clinique. And I'm going to begin to rub it on my face. I need a little moisture because the girl's dry. Now I'm going to go in with the No Problem Primer Essence. You know, I've been calling this a serum all this time, and it's an essence. Jesus. And I'm going to rub that into my skin. Now I'm going to take the Dr. Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm going to rub that in. And this is the Laura Mercier Air blurring primer. I forgot to show you guys what it is, but that's what it is. Now I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Longwear, and I'm going in with the shade New Caledonia on the outside and Macau on the inside. Y'all, my shade is so funny because both of these shades are crazy. New Caledonia is too dark if you look at my chest, and Macau's too light if you look at my face. So I'm going to put the New Caledonia on the outside, and I'm going to put the Macau on the inside. And I really should have blended that New Caledonia all the way down my neck on the sides because the side of my neck is darker in the front. So I'll keep that in mind for next time. But normally I got on shirts where you can't even see it. But I just wanted you guys to see how bright my chest was, so I just left it out. I know a lot of people say, oh, your chest is... My chest is light, super light. Now I'm just going to blend those out. And this seemed like the easiest thing to do. But I should have blended that down my neck, and I should have done my ears. But once I bronze, the ears look fine. It ends up looking great at the end, so I'm not even, whatever. But yeah. Also, if I could have got, a really dark shade for a contour, yeah, I think that would have worked better too. So I'm going to try that next time. Go ahead and put my contour in there too. Now I'm going to go on with the Juvia's Place Shade Sticks. And this is in the shade Congo. I'm just going to do some cream contour. And we're going to blend that out. I think I should have put a little bit more than this on here. Next, I'm going in with the Too Faced multi-use concealer, and this is the shade Chestnut. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out with my ColourPop sponge. I got to get a mirror that I can see myself in. Because this little one, I know I'll be black in my eyes and everything I'm doing, trying to blend all this out. Now I'm taking a sponge and I'm just going over where that contour and that concealer begins. Make sure there's no harsh edges. So now I'm going to go in with Butterscotch in a Too Faced multi-use concealer because I want it to be a little bright. Not as quite as bright as I wanted it, but it'll do. Now I'm going over those lines again, so I don't have no harsh lines. Now I'm going with the L'Oreal Laura Mercier powder and honey. They're translucent powder and honey, should I say? And I'm going to set under my eyes and everywhere else I put that concealer. I know I didn't put it on my chin, but I forgot I didn't put it on there. Now I'm going in with this Neon MUA X Midas Cosmetics. It's like a dusk palette, and I'm going in with this contour shade. Now I'm going to go on there with a little powder because I went a little bit heavy on there. Now just to fix it. Now I'm going to cut out my contour with a little powder. So now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild breakup proof liner. And I'm going in with a little Makeup Forever Velvet Matte Blurring Foundation under my eyes. It's a shade White 425. Now I'm going to go in with that dark green shade and that dark red shade under my eyes, just like the top. And then I'm going to smoke them both out with the lighter color, so that lighter green and that lighter red. Now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Perfecti Micro Smooth Powder. I think that's what it is, or Flawless Finish, something like that. It has a long name. And I'm just gonna, basically set my whole face. Get all the powder off. Now I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution Splendor Matte Bronzer. And I'm going to bronze my face. This is my favorite part. And this smelled like something yesterday. I kept smelling pineapples or like something sweet, and I smelled it, and it smells good. Now I'm going in with this blush, and this is the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio Colorette. And I'm going in with the more redder one, or more redder one, I'd say. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Spray. And I'm going in with Blissful and then that lighter color out of this palette for my tear ducts, but it didn't really work, so I had to go back in with Artist Couture. Now I'm going in with the Buxom, that was the Buxom mascara, and then that was ColourPop X Shayla BBF F4, and this is Sure Thing by Too Faced, and this is the look. Thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.